Welcome to this demonstration of the V2I real-time application for the Wandoan South solar project. On the home screen you will find a variety of buttons enabling you to watch drone footage. Simply select a specific piece of footage and you can use the timeline to scrub through the video. Likewise, there are a number of animations that are derived from the 3D model of the site. And the ability to display relevant reports. Clicking on the Design button will launch the V2I real-time design mode. Once the content is loaded, you can start interacting with the scene. Click and hold the left mouse button to adjust the view angle. You can also place the mouse cursor anywhere on site and right-click once to pan across the site. The Return to Site button at the bottom of the screen will always take you back to a default view over the site. Use the menu panel on the left to display additional content. For example, under the Overlays menu, you can display a site boundary and the module layout plan. A legend will be visible in the bottom left corner. Existing trees will turn on 3D trees over the existing trees across the site. The photogrammetry button will turn on photogrammetry for the existing substation south of the site. And under the Proposed Development tab, you can turn on a base, solar panels, the battery area, and fencing. At the bottom of the menu you can switch between summer and winter solstice, and using the Sun tool on the left side of the menu you will be able to then also adjust the time of day, which will move the solar panels accordingly. You can use the icons in the top left corner of the screen to change the exploration mode. From default aerial view to the ground view, where you can simply double click to ground and then click and hold the left mouse button to look around and use the WASD keys to walk around. You can use the drone icon to launch a virtual drone, use the space button to raise your altitude and the control key to lower the altitude. Otherwise, you can move around similarly to walk mode. Clicking Return to Overview or the Orbit button in the top left corner of the screen will return you back to orbit mode. You also have the ability to change the view angle. Click on the Field of View button and you can change between a narrow 90-degree view, the default 115-degree view, and a 130-degree wide-angle view. Camera icon in the top left corner of the screen. To access capture tools, here you can take a snapshot of the current view, including the ability to add markups, drawings, and text annotations to the scene, with the ability to render it out as an image, PDF, or send it as an email brochure provided you are connected to the internet. The video camera icon will enable you to create a screen recording. After the countdown, any action performed on the screen will be recorded until you click the icon again for a preview. This recording can then be saved or discarded as required. The Measurement Tool tab enables you to use a variety of measurement tools to measure the scene. You can navigate back to the main menu via the Home button in the bottom left corner of the screen. To exit the application, click on the button in the top right corner of the screen.